So this movie is called Beautiful Exploring Nature. So there is going to be a girl. So he's going to be the cameraman and I'm going to be the camera woman. We're going to take turns, so hope you enjoy this, maybe 5 minutes or 10. I don't know, it might be longer than that. So enjoy this.
Yeah, boy. Oh, crap, man. Put like those background pictures in there. Like Daniel Boone. You know that movie?
As you can see, this is my Papa's landscape. It's huge. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I hope you do too. So give me that money.
I'm so glad I wore my nasty tennis shoes.
Good thing for me, I wore my school tennis shoes. But my mom can clean it.
Yeah, mine can be washed in the washer.
You see something cool that I learned?
Kids, don't try this at home.
Yeah, just don't try this. You can try everything else. Like
If you're 5 and below, do not try this.
yeah, seriously, because like freaking you'll die. Okay, I'm joking.
And the homemade knife he has in his hand, did not make one of them either. Yeah, that's the knife. It's homemade.
So I drank this dirty water for content.
He's the cameraman right now.
Yep. Stupid star piece of crap. Did you zoom in?
Waterfalls up here.
Yeah. Wait, I just realized that. Why did I just realize? Do you dare me to drink dirty water just for money? That water that's coming off of that spout. Well, you get the more.
Clean water.
It is. Should I actually drink it? That one over there that's coming off of that big old rock over there. Do you dare me? I'm looking at. I'm zooming in on the dog right now. But now I'm looking at you. There's a wild, blotchy
So,
mountain dog.
you can hear a chainsaw in the background. So
Yeah, that means they're doing
we're
construction
cutting the
work.
tree down.
Yeah, so sorry if you hear a little bit of unnatural noises.
So, I guess he's going to drink that water. Hurry, Mikey.
Get a close up on that.
Yep, there's the water. Yuck.
It's actually pretty good.
But, you see,
I know one that actually is pretty good.
you can see that,
That is bloody clean water.
you can see that it's dirty underneath it.
Yeah, but there's a little waterfall under there.
But the water is really clean.
Yeah, this is dirty, but that
So,
right there. That's
This is where the water comes from. That's where the water comes from. So this is actually really clean water,
this
but
actually is. I'm not lying. That's
because since it's like dark and behind it,
actually, yeah, like right down
it is beautiful nature.
here. Get a zoom in on this waterfall right here. Look at that. That's clean water, everybody. Right here, it's under my hand. It's right here. It's clean water because it's coming off of this rock, which comes from up there onto a little
Yeah.
bitty lake. See, this is not clean. That has all kinds of moss in it. But if you get it from like down here,
So
here, it's pretty good.
here's a knife.
There's my knife. Are we recording?
Yes, we are.
Oh wait, we still recording? Are you throwing it out there?
Let's see if you can get it.
I did that like bull crap.
He got it. So this movie might be a little bit short, but it might just be like a little trailer or something of a movie that we might create someday.
When we get up in college, we'll know what we're doing, won't we? We're just stupid kids being stupid.
Mikey, actually, we can create a movie over the summer.
Yeah, I know how to edit really good, but I do not know how to be a cameraman really good. But you do.
need somebody to record us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. She's leaving. Say bye. Bye, everybody.